Hello, on this episode I will show you how to connect the iPad tablet with the television. And the idea here is to get the stream from the tablet wirelessly to the television with the help of Apple TV. Once you have set up the Apple TV, you will see the AirPlay text showing on the television. Then what you will need to do is you have to have the tablet and the Apple TV on the same wireless network. After that, everything is really easy. From the top right corner of the tablet, I will scroll down the menu and it'll say screen mirroring on one button. After I press the button, it will show the available Apple TVs, and I will select the space from here. And after that, what you show on the tablet will also be shown on the TV. And even if you tilt the tablet, the screen will tilt also on the television.